Okay, so we've got the procedural texture here. We're looking at that. So now I'm going to change these numbers a little bit. I'm going to change this to the U width to 0.3 and the V width to 0.9. And so let me see, while we have this here, I'm going to click over in my hypershade, click on number so I can see my textures a little better. I'm going to pull into my material, click on the box, right click on it, and assign that texture. So it looks sort of like a box with some holes in it. But we can also change the placement on this box some. So let me see, if I look here, I'll see the materials, I see the actual grid, and then I'll see a placement textures, which is right here. In my attribute editor, I'll see placement 2D texture. Now what I'm going to do is to go down and I'll see my repeat UV in this section under 2D texture placement attributes, and I'm going to change this to 2 and to 3 for V. And so you'll see how that changed that placement on the boxes. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is create a point light. So I'm going to move in this scene and move out a little bit, back out toward the center again, and kind of pull that over. And I'll keep my window up. I may, well, I'm going to leave the attribute editor so we can see it. The first thing I'll do is go to Create, down to Lights, and down to Point Light. What happens is everything is created on the center point. So if I go and click on my Move tool, I'll see where the placement of that point light is. I'm going to grab that and pull that light up above that pedestal in the sun and pull it kind of across and somewhere like this. Maybe I'll pull it over to the side a little bit. Next thing I'll do is go to lighting and say use all lights. This way I can start really getting the effect of what's happening in my with my light on. Before I had the basic default light that comes with the program, and now I'm showing the light as it would be using just this point light. Let me just pop this out a little larger and you can get a better view of that lighting. Okay, I'll stop here.